Hey everyone, Bilal aka Cove here, and today we're announcing version 6.0. There's a ton in store in this version, so grab your sunglasses and let's jump right in. Before we begin, every section in this video will have its own specific tutorial, so if we go too fast or we're just brushing up on one topic, then you can go to the full tutorial down in the description down below. We'll also have chapter titles that you can skip to if you need to. We're starting out with our biggest update, Lumia Link. Lumia Link will give you the option to control the Lumia Stream desktop app from your phone, your OBS dock, or even your browser, and will give you full control of Lumia and your lights. If you would like to use it on your phone, just head to your mobile app store and search for Lumia Link. You'll find it there and you'll be able to download and install it right away. Just make sure you have 6.0 installed before you do this. And it's a completely free app available for both premium and starter users with no restrictions. At this time, every device and browser will have its own settings that you can change dynamically. So if you want certain OBS settings on your dock page, you can have that set up where you have your mobile app differently. And to add it as an OBS dock is extremely simple. You just open up Lumia Stream on version 6.0, you select Lumia Link in the top right, you copy the connection URL, you open up OBS and you select View, Docs, Custom Browser Docs, and then paste in your link into the URL. Press apply and you're good to go. The commands page gives you a much better view of your Twitch commands, Twitch points, and Twitch extensions. It allows your viewers to go into one place and see all the different commands they can use. They can even filter out their commands for their specific user level. They can search for certain commands and they can see everything right there. You'll be able to use exclamation point commands. Just head to Lumia Stream and open up chatbot and you'll be able to turn on commands. And you can even change the name if you want. Also added in version 6.0, you can change the command for any of your other chatbot commands that we have set up there. We've also added a Twitter integration where you can listen to alerts like likes, follows, retweets, but you can also send tweets, send DMs, send media. You can upload your profile image in banner. You could even update your OBS setup anytime you get a new follower, for instance. There's so much you can do here. Check out the full tutorial to see more. We know how long you all have been waiting for this, but wait no more. Twitch Hype Trains alerts have now been added. You'll have the ability to react to Twitch Hype Train starts, level progressions, as well as Hype Train in. Combine some of our other 6.0 features and you got a nice Lumia cake. You can tweet when a hype train starts, you can send it to Discord, you could tag everyone in Discord just to get everyone in there and make your stream a lot brighter, and you get the idea. We've also added a new tab in alerts and commands called Twitch Actions. Twitch Actions allow you to set up your commands to control your stream. From setting a title, making a Twitch clip, and sending it to Discord, all the way to turning on/off subscribers. It's all there. Discord webhooks can now be used all throughout Lumia. As mentioned earlier, you can use it to send a clip and then send it to Discord right after. You can send a generic webhook if you just want a text message. Maybe you want to take in the chat message and post it on your Discord. You could even set up a Twitch point that allows users to post to your Discord as a bot or to a secret channel maybe. You could even have anytime you get a new subscriber, post to Discord just so you can keep track better of who are your new subscribers. And you can use JSON to style your webhook up however you see fit using the Discord documentation. We even have a gist of how you can set up different styles of how to use your Discord webhook. There's a new tab in alerts and commands called Lumia Actions. Not only can you send Discord webhooks, but it also allows you to do things like dynamically update variables, turn on/off chat commands in Twitch points, write to a file for OBS to use, and so much more. Do you use WooCommerce to sell your merch? Well, we do. And now we can get an alert anytime we receive a new order, and you can as well. You can send it as a chatbot, post it on OBS, send it to Discord if you want to, or anything else you can connect together in Lumia. Variables have received a major upgrade and now you can do much more with them. We've added dozens of variables that you could choose from. You can update variables dynamically using the Lumia action, and all of the integrations we've just added have their own variables now. You now have the ability to set up cooldowns individually for each command or Twitch point that you choose. No longer will you be restricted to just use our global cooldowns. We also have multiple types of individual cooldowns to choose from. You can use a user cooldown, which means only that user can use the command again until their cooldown is over. And we also have command cooldowns, which means no one can use that command until the cooldown is over. And you even have the option to fall back to the global settings, as well as just setting no cooldowns for certain commands or Twitch points, while others do have the global cooldown if you wanted to. You'll also be able to send different chatbot messages for each different cooldown message that you have. So if someone tries to redeem something that's already in a cooldown, you'll see it show up. It also shows up in the dashboard under the cooldowns box, so you can see who's in a cooldown and who isn't and which commands are in a cooldown. So those are our main features for version 6.0, but we have a ton of enhancements and bug fixes that you all may be interested in as well. So check out lumiastream.com/releases to see the full release notes of our 6.0 release. This is just the start of 2022. We plan on so much more for this year, and we hope you all stick around for the ride. And as usual, we hope you all have a luminous day.